This is a single leg press, and this is great if you are trying to strengthen each of your legs individually, if you find that you're struggling, progressing in your lifts, or honestly, if you just have one that's weaker and you want to improve the strength there. You want to make sure that your foot stays affixed to the platform. You should not have any room underneath your heel. You don't want to be pushing just straight through your toe. You want to keep the entire foot on the platform. That way you are engaging the entire leg. We're not working into the knee joints, and we're making sure that we're doing this effectively. You want to make sure that you get that knee coming close enough to your chest while your foot still stays on the pad. The other thing is to make sure that you are not letting your hip come off the pad at all. It's more common when you have both feet on there, but it definitely does happen if you use one leg. Press and exhale. You also want to make sure that your head goes back, okay? You want to keep your spine as neutral as possible. You don't want to be looking too far forward, or you don't want to be looking too far back. Either one of those two, we want to keep a nice neutral spine. That way, we're nice and safe here. Don't lift like an asshole and do it right the first time.